This video will offer an overview of the AI content generator by PoCo. At the top, you'll see the current plan that you're on and the token usage that you have. This is how much you used, and this is the limit. There are 5 tabs below to be able to generate different content types: product description, SEO meta tags, blog post, event description, and custom content. For each one of those, you will see a help button here. If you click it, you will see different help tips to help you generate the best content. First, you'll start with product name. You can enter a new product name or an existing product name. If it is an existing product name, then you will have step 2 here that says you can generate new product description, or you can rewrite the existing product description, which basically tells ChatGPT to view the text that you currently have as the description, and based on the settings below, rewrite it in its own voice. Step 3, you can add additional information. Tell it anything from important things you want to include, write it a list of pros and cons, add ingredients, anything that you want can come into the additional information. Next, select the number of words you want. More words use more tokens. Writing style is something that you can also select from our predefined list. Each one of them will have a little description of what it is, or you can also create your own custom one and can write something like joking, um, like my grandma would say. There's a 20-letter maximum for a writing style. You can really get creative with it. Next step is the target audience. You can dictate the target audience that ChatGPT will generate text specifically for. It can be anyone from our list of existing target audiences, Gen X, baby boomers, sports fans, soccer moms, or you can also create your own custom one. And again, you can have multiple one of those. Finally, the ChatGPT version 3.5 is the more basic version. It still creates proficient text generation and some creativity. If you go with version 4, you will have more creativity, more coherent responses. Really up to you to try. The advanced version uses up more tokens. Next, in the SEO meta tags option, we can generate SEO for products, blog posts, or events. We can choose to do it manually or automated. Automated will create all of them for you. Be more careful with that. While ChatGPT is very, very powerful and knowledgeable, it can also sometimes create information that's less reliable. So use automated if you've never populated your meta tags before. Choose which ones you want to generate. Do you want to create the URL slug, just the title, or the description? And if we selected manual, we'll select the product name. We'll be able to preview it before. Same with blog post or event description. Additional information. We can use the product name for additional information, product description, or we can manually input something. It's generally recommended to use a product description just for speed purposes. Select the numbers, default character number. These are within the recommended SEO limits. Same as before, writing style, target audience, GPT version. This is where we'll be able to see a preview of them. For blog post, similar concept as before. You can create a new one or update an existing one. Here, the target audience will be much more relevant. The longer the description, the more accurate the target audience will be. And same goes for event description. We can generate a short teaser or about the event, additional information as before, description length. And finally, we have a custom content tab where you can create anything from an Instagram post, Facebook post, TikTok post, or a custom option. If you need a new landing page or anything of that sort, you can customize, choose custom, enter the content type, select if you want it to be SEO optimized or not, enter a title, additional information, same option as before, number of words, general, and then it will be generated over here. When you click on generate content, you'll be able to copy and paste that wherever you need. If you have any other questions, you can always contact us using this contact us button, and we are always happy to help. Thank you for watching.